What a wonderful 4-bedroom detached villa here in the heart of Arabian Ranches 1. This is just asking for a renovation. You can customize it to exactly what you and your family want. But the beauty is there's a beautiful plot, really nice garden area, and you can move in immediately. It's really, really nicely done. But most people that are looking for Arabian Ranches these days, you're probably looking to renovate. So let's turn around the camera and let's check out this new property. Now this one is a 4-bedroom detached villa, as I said, with a maid's room. So as we walk inside, first thing that hits you is how nice and light and spacious it is. So as we come in, let me just walk you down through, get an overview of the house and the layout. And there's the garden, and then let's come back to the front door and let's work our way around. Okay, so when we walk down here on the left, you've got the guest toilet in here, you've got an electric room. To your right here, you've got the double garage, which you could actually put your cars in, or some people actually change that and turn that into, you know, like a games room or a gym or a study or home cinema. So it depends if you want a closed garage or not. And then as we come through into the main house, that goes up the stairs. You've got storage in here, which I always think is important to highlight because we all need storage. And then this is what I love about this house is it's really nice and open. So this is currently being used as a dining area. Lots of floor to ceiling windows. So it just really feels like you're in the garden. This central piece you could take down if you wanted and remove. That was put in as a fireplace. The other thing I want to highlight is here at the edge of the house, you can actually, you've got permission by EMAR to put in another 10% of the house on the side here. So you could potentially put a ground floor bedroom here, or another living area, kids room, or just simply extend the living area. So that is something interesting as a potential project. This is the main family living area here. So here you have it, and we'll walk outside to the garden in just one second. Let me just show you where I've walked here so you can see back towards the house here. Now let's go into the kitchen area. So this is the main dining area where the family has all their meals. Again, you can knock the walls if you want or keep them, up to you, and you can get around the side of the house. And then this kitchen has actually been done, so renovated. It's all hacker kitchen here, but again, you know, if you want to, you can completely change this. Now downstairs here, this is one room that is asking for renovation. This is currently the maid's room, but I actually think it's a really useful bedroom, and you've got its own built-in bathroom there. So you just need to clean this up. You could do a study, a downstairs TV room for the kids. It could be a teenager's room. Or you keep it as the maid's room. That goes outside to the side of the house and out to the garden. And then let's come back into the main house, and I will take you outside to see the garden. So I really love this garden. It's pretty hot out here as well. So here we have it. So you've got a little outside seating area. And then here is your outside area. So it's the end of the day here, so the lighting is just beautiful. But here you go, you could sit in here in the shade, go for a swim in your house, in your pool. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. So just really, and what we all love about Arabian Ranches is all the trees are really mature here, so you don't really feel like you're in the desert, do you? But what a beautiful outside area. You can imagine lots of nice garden parties, pool parties, kiddies parties. So you can really picture yourself living here as a family, and that's what all of us do. You know, we basically live around our gardens and swimming pools. So let's just go down the side of the house. So this was the part that I said you can extend another 10% of the house and add on to the built up area. So you do have permission from the developer to do that. And then this is just down to the side of the house where all of the pool works is, but you can't actually get out that side. But then let's just walk you back down the side of the house so you can get a good feel. So you've got high walls and, you know, lots of privacy. So I think you'll agree that's a really nice space. Let's just walk through this part as well. Here we have it. And then let me just walk you also. You can see down the side of the house. So this is the side of the house that leads out through the gate to the front garden. And that's also the door to the downstairs, which was the maid's room, or it could be anything you choose. That is the front garden here. Okay, so let's go back inside the house and I will take you upstairs. So upstairs we've got 4 bedrooms. So the reason we call this is a 4-bedroom plus maids is because this downstairs room I just showed you really is the maid's room, but you may not want to live in a maid, or you could change it round and have it as you want. So it really just depends what your preference is as a family. So let's now go up the stairs. There we go. Okay, and upstairs we'll take you to see the 4 bedrooms. So you've got 3 nice sized bedrooms and 1 small. So this is the small bedroom. It could be a study. I mean, there's lots of people that would put bunk beds in here for young kids or toddlers. That's a really nice sort of compact room, if you like. And then you've got a really nice spacious area. Some people have actually used this as a family lounge upstairs. Lots of cupboards. Then you've got 2 bedrooms here, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. They have a adjoining bathroom, and then you've got the master here. So let's go in these bedrooms. So here you can see, that's where your house is. It's a nice sized bedroom. You've got the built-in wardrobes, more wardrobes. There's the shared bathroom, so that definitely needs a renovation, but I mean, you don't have to renovate these straight away. The beauty is you can come in and move in for the new school year, live here, and then do up the house around you. This is the other bedroom. There we have it. And the bedrooms here, they have really nice, can't quite open that with one hand, but that's out to the garden where we've just been anyway. So you've got a nice large balcony there. And finally, the master bedroom is here. And we can't quite get into the bathroom at the moment. It's just locked, but when you are ready to obviously view the property, we'll be able to go in at that point. So this is the balcony, and that's just looking down straight to the garden where we just were below. Okay. So that is your 4-bedroom plus maids detached villa. So if you look in the description below, you'll see all the details. You'll see the built-up area inside. You'll see the plot size. You'll see the price. Click a link and you can come straight to my WhatsApp. You just have to fill in a few details, and I would love to take. And whether it's this property or others like it, what I will say is I have never seen a detached villa in Arabian Ranches at this low price. So it's going to go. It's only been on the market a couple of days. It's going to go. So it's a question of, how fast you can be if this is what you want. So take care. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, and do subscribe to my channel. Take care.